5 seconds. Start. In Pakistan, bias begins at birth for the girl child as discriminatory norms, orthodox attitudes, and poverty impede progress. Full stop. However, UNICEF Pakistan recently presented a national gender strategy to generate a transformative shift for multitudes of girls between 10 to 19 years. Full stop. It believes that effective implementation of the policy in rural and urban areas can tackle inequalities and improve female lives, including those defined by disability. Full stop. A significant component of the plan is to engage leaders, clerics, boys, and men so that existing narratives change and all women have agency. Full stop. UNICEF also highlights the lamentable fact that Pakistan has nearly 19 million child brides. 54% were pregnant before the age of 18 and 88% of underage girls live in poverty. Full stop. The UN's 2023 Gender Social Norms Index was not a cheerful reader either. Full stop. It stated that improvement in prejudices against women had been static for a decade. Full stop. In this scenario, the UN agenda to attain gender equality by 2030 for all countries is a long shot. Full stop. Para. There is no denying that several social mores propel gender inequality and deal a blow to women's freedoms. Full stop. As more people are pushed below the poverty line in a moribund economy, indigence is set to widen the gender gap with reduced access to healthcare, education, and profitable opportunities. Full stop. In these circumstances, perhaps UNICEF Pakistan's gender equitable programming ought to start with areas where the honor of men depends on making women invisible, as in parts of Balochistan and KP. Full stop. Females in hyper conservative areas are entirely disenfranchised, trapped in the culture of bride price, the sale of girls for monetary gain or to resolve disputes, and the absence of reproductive girls and socio-economic liberties. Full stop. All this must change with schooling, healthcare, and employment, and cultivating empathy and awareness among men. Full stop. Closing gender gap matters because it promises social justice and prosperity. Full stop. It is a long road, but we cannot finish it. Full stop. The end.